Hello.
Hey.
Hi.
Hello. Okay, viewers, we have two powerful gentlemen with me today. On my right side is Mr. Wafi, and on my left side is Mr. Farid.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Off camera, we spoke a lot about sport, which not only sport, it is called as power sport. That's why I address them as powerful gentlemen. So, Mr. Farid, can
Hello.
you explain to us what is
Power
power
sport.
sport?
All right. Power sports is basically a combination of few discipline of riding, namely motocross and jet ski and snowmobiles and ATVs. So yeah, basically it's power sports. Power is powered by an engine, and sports whereby you can go out and have a go on it.
Okay. It is not only a sport, it also can be used as leisure ride.
Right, yeah.
Leisure ride.
Basically, ATVs offers the ability to go through extreme off-road terrains
Okay.
with less effort. So basically, you can go to impossible places with an ATV easily.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Wafi,
Yes.
you also were saying about the different sizes of ATVs that's
Yeah.
available. Can you please explain on that also?
Yeah, for beginners, for starters, they usually start with 125 to 200 cc's.
Okay.
It's basically two-wheel ATVs. These are 4x4s. Those are 4x2s.
Okay.
So usually 4x4s start with 250 cc and above. And as you can see here, these are the 570 cc's category.
So ATVs is considered as
This
beginner
is
or
advanced.
advanced level?
Advanced. These are basically the sports and race ready ATVs. So they are not really for leisure, for recreational usage. So in order to do that, you are required to have some certain level of skills.
So do you have for beginners as well?
Yes, we do. We do have.
Is it only focused on adults or do you have for kids?
We do have kids. In fact, actually, Mr. Farid's son is one of the,
Rider.
powerful rider coming soon. He's gonna be our contender.
Okay.
Even some of our friends, their kids also, they are following their father's footsteps.
They develop the interest in
Yes.
yeah, the good thing is they have the smaller ones to ride. The
Yes.
smaller version
True.
to ride.
Very
isn't
true.
it?
Yeah.
Now, what about the maintenance of this? Okay, car maintenance we know how to do and where to go and so on. But when it comes to such powerful bikes, where do we maintain it? How do we maintain it? And what about the cost to maintain?
For customers that have their ATV ride in the jungle, we have our mobile service unit, whereby our team will go to customers' ATVs and service it on site.
Oh, okay.
But most of the time, customers prefer to drive into our service center. They would not generally have a trailer or a pickup truck to bring the ATVs there.
Does it need periodical maintenance?
A
General checkup,
Correct.
something like that?
It's basically like a car, like your average car and a bike. It has an engine, so you need a regular oil change at 3,000 kilometer interval. Other than that, the normal wear and tear parts such as the brake pads and the clutch will be replaced generally after 10,000 kilometers.
All this will be oriented when someone buys
Correct. Yeah.
how to maintain.
Yeah. Some customers, they like to maintain their own ATV.
Okay.
There are also customers that are a bit lazy to
To check everything.
their
Yeah.
ATVs. They will pass to us. So we will do all the maintenance at our workshop.
And it also depends how frequently they
They ride.
ride.
Yes.
Because it's considered as rough ride,
Yes.
right?
Even we also did the wash, because when you go deep into the mud,
Okay.
you really have to be careful where you're gonna jump the water.
On average, the maintenance cost for the ATVs will range around 1,000 to 2,000 ringgit per year, depending on your mileage. But as you know, it's an off-road vehicle. You don't clock too much mileage on it. That typically customers would service their ATVs twice a year.
Okay. Now I'm gonna ask a little bit personal to both of you.
Yeah.
What inspired you to take up this power sport as your passion and profession?
Okay, the interest for me started for ATVs when actually I saw some footage on the television. So I thought that ATV just stuck to my heart. So started riding back in 2009.
2009.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct. Yeah, and about 2012 decided to be in the ATV industry. Quit my 9 to 5 job. I was an engineer, by the way,
Okay.
to follow my adventure nature.
Okay. So you had that that feeling to go into adventurous thing,
Correct. Yes.
and you find ATV is one of the two too.
Yeah. Why ATV? It's actually because motorcycles. If you fall down, you break your leg for sure.
Yes.
Your leg. On the ATVs, because it's 4 wheel, it's hard to fall. So, but you still need some technique to handle it. But it's an easier vehicle to operate.
So you like that adventurous life.
Yeah.
What about you, Inti?
Always into the jungle actually.
You?
I'm always into the jungle.
Okay.
Into the jungle, into the danger and everything. So
Danger.
so I always ride motocross and everything. Then I met Farid. Farid said, "Come, let's try the ATV." So I thought it was easy.
Okay.
Yeah, as he said, it is safer, but it's not as easy as you thought. But it's really fun. It's healthy. It's a very good. It's a complete workout. When you ride, not just workout. It is good for your
It's a healthy
life.
lifestyle.
True, very true. Like now you can go camping. I used to hike a lot. I used to climb a lot, but now it's much easier with the ATV. It's basically a new lifestyle. It's a camping lifestyle with vehicle.
Yeah, you said it right. I think it will be a good inspiration for the youngsters out there.
Yes.
How they can occupy their time. See, nowadays, what would I say? Many youngsters are like, we are stuck in the phone. We are always in the phone.
Exactly.
We are always so much engaged with our social media, right?
Yeah.
But as you say, this kind of adventurous sport will divert your mind. As you say, Mr. Wafi, it's like kind of healthy living as well.
Yes.
I would say stress relief as well.
Correct.
Very much.
Yeah.
ATV will develop you.
Yes.
I highly recommend ATV sport for all the youngsters because it will constantly test your limit. You will go out of your safety line, out of your box, and you will constantly challenge yourself to test to the limit. So that will reflect in your daily life.
Yeah.
In their character.
Yes.
Yes. Perfect.
Okay, I know this is maybe you probably thought it's a toy, but it's a big boy's toys. So basically you're riding a beast. So safety is very important. So you need glove, you need helmet. We don't use visors, but you use goggle. They are all important, especially when you're riding in the jungle. So yeah, there are branches everywhere, and most of the time when we ride deep into the jungle, we wear all the paddings, body armor, knee pads, and then elbow pads. They are very important, especially if you fell. It's very hard to fall, but if you fell from ATV, yeah, you need to have all that. It's good to be safe actually. Okay, yeah, you have to hit. Then this is your glove. All yours. Release the brake. Okay. Alright.
So how do people find you?
You guys can look for us on Facebook, Segway Power Sports Malaysia, on Facebook and on Instagram. You could also follow our personal TikTok
WAfi Haskia, and then
and mine Rider Hutan.
yes,
Rider underscore Hutan.
yes.
And may I add, those who want to know more about ATV, join the Facebook group Malaysia ATV Riders Club. You will find a lot of useful information there.
Wow, that's a lot of information. Thank you very much for talking to me about this power sports.